Although silicon is one of the most abundant elements of the Earth's crust, most of it is unavailable to crops.
Well, most fertilizer products do not contain any silicon either.
Nevertheless, silicon fulfills an important role in various plant parts and has an overall plant strengthening effect.
How can I make sure my crop gets the silicon it needs?
That's easy. ATAMI's Because Silic Boost is a supplement which contains a form of silicon that is plant available. Because Silic Boost can be used throughout the growth cycle and provides several benefits to your plant. Firstly, Silic Boost regulates the uptake of nutrients by making sure that nutrients are taken up by the roots in the right ratios. It also allows plants to utilize elements like phosphorus more efficiently. Besides being a nutrient regulator, silicon makes the plant more resilient. The silicon molecules are deposited in the epidermis of the stem and the leaf. The deposition provides protection against both biotic and abiotic stress factors.
All right, could you perhaps give an example, Angela?
Sure. Abiotic stress is caused by conditions like heat, drought, or a high salinity. Biotic stress factors like fungi, mildew, or aphids.
When I use Silic Boost, I've noticed that the stems of my crop became stronger and thicker, which helped to prevent lodging due to the wind or when my plant carried too heavy fruits.
That's another benefit of silicon. Amazing, right?